Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. What's up people out there, this is me Ashvircreations from Ashvircreations. Welcome back to another episode of Vijay Maher series of the Photoshop. In this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your photo just like Vijay Maher, just like this. Recently he have uploaded this photo. We appreciate his work. His work is really great. You can find him on Instagram. So before wasting any time, let's get back to the Photoshop. So we will open the image which you want to edit. Now select the quick selection tool from here and select the plus icon to select the image which you want to put and cut out the image. Now right click on the subject and go to the layer via copy option, or also you can also press Ctrl J from the keyboard. Here we have cut out the image of the subject. All you have to do is just go to the file and open the background layer. Here is our background. Now just press the Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy and just paste Ctrl V below this layer. Now go to the edit and select the free transform tool and just press shift and alt key and the left side of the area and just drag it to increase or decrease the size of the background. All you have to do is just now select or just arrange your background and press enter. Now we will just click on this by pressing Ctrl and left click on the mouse to select this background. Now just crop it by selecting the crop tool, or else you can also press directly C from the keyboard. And I want this much area to be cropped, just press the enter, or else you can press the right arrow key. Now we have cut it down the image. All you have to now do is that let's make the hair of the subject. Let me delete this unwanted area by selecting the eraser tool. Select the hard brush edge. Now I will delete this unwanted area by using the eraser tool. You can also use the pen tool to select in a perfect way. Now press alt key here and just enclose that pen tool selection. Now press Ctrl and enter from the keyboard to select and just press it delete button to delete it. And here we have cut out the image. Here there is remaining the ear of the subject, so we will select the ear by using the pen tool. Just drag it like this way. Press alt key here and just make it large and select it just like this. Now enclose this pen tool selection and press Ctrl enter from the keyboard and press Ctrl J to duplicate this layer. Here we have done the Ctrl J. Here you can see the before and after effect of the layer which we have made. Now merge both layer by selecting it using Ctrl key and press right click on the mouse and select merge layers. Now all you have to do is just make the hair of the subject. First of all we will erase it by using eraser tool, this unwanted area. Then we will use the smudge tool from here and use hard brush and strength to over 50%. just to make the stroke like this in upward position. We will select soft brush from here to get more softness. Just smudge it like this way. Only a little portion of the hair to be smudged so that it may not look like we have cut it down. And here it is completed. So now you have to just go to the adjustment layer and select the color lookup and go to the 3D LUT and press the clipping mask icon from here so that it will only affect the layer which is below. I'll select this desaturated one. It will only affect the below layer. First of all, let me again just remove that clipping mask and create new layer above the subject layer. Now create clipping mask from here by right clicking on it, select create clipping mask. Now go to the brush tool and decrease the size of the brush and press Alt key to pick the color. Here we have picked the color of the black. So we will just paint the edge to the black color. Here also we'll paint it black. Now just paint it just like this way so that it may look very realistic and natural. Again select the black color from here. And here you can see the before and after effect of the edges which we have done the blurring effect, brushing effect. Here it is almost completed. Now we'll just merge both the layers by right click on it and select merge layers. Now we will blur the edges. Select the blur tool from here and strength to around 100%. Now first of all, now go to color lookup and create a clipping mask by selecting this button, and now go to this layer and blur the edges. Only blur the edge of the subject to get more realistic and natural look. Here we have completed our blurring. Let's open the image of the reference image of Vijay Maher. Now go to the window and arrange both. Still there are more adjustments to be done. So we will just merge both these layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. Now we will go to the adjustment layer and select the levels from here. Select the clipping mask tool from the button over here. Now we will just move the arrow key like this way, and this from here to get more shadows. Now it seems perfect. Here you can see the before and after effect of the photograph. A huge difference can be seen. Now merge both the layers. Now go to the adjustment tool, then select the hue and saturation and create clipping mask button by pressing this button, and click on this arrow icon and select the red color from the face. Now all you have to do is just increase the or decrease the lightness and decrease the saturation, and move this hue to around yellow tone. Increase the saturation. Here you can see the huge difference from red to yellow. We have achieved our Vijay Maher yellowish effect on this photograph. So now you have to just merge these both layers by pressing it. Right click on it and just select merge layers from here. Let's blur some portion of the image by selecting the blur tool from here. Increase the size of the brush and just paint it over here, this portion of the photo, to make it more blur. We will blur this blackness. Here we have done the blurring. Let's blur in the black area also. Let's paint these goggles to black color. Create new layer, select the brush tool and select the black color from here. Choose the blending mode to multiply and paint it black. And here we have done the black color of the subject. Here you can see the before and after effect of the black color on the goggles. Now merge both the layers by right click on it and select merge layers. Now everything is almost complete. Let's go to the file and open some more images or the PNG which we want to put. Let's select the smoke. Press Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy and just press Ctrl V to paste. Now go to the blending mode and select the screen from here and press Ctrl T, or else you can select the free transform tool from here. Select the smokiness from here. Select some kind of, add some smoke to the photo. Like this. Add some now duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J option, and also add some smoke or decrease the size of the smoke and add it over here. Let's add some smoke over here. Now place this layer below the subject layer and erase the unwanted area of the smoke which you don't want by selecting eraser tool. Press Ctrl T to adjust it. Decrease the opacity of the smoke to around 30 to 34%. And here we have done our thing. Now just merge all the layer by pressing Shift key and select the merge layer option. Here you can see the before and after effect of the photograph. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post the videos, and share it with all your friends. And don't forget to log on to our new website, that is www.ashvircreations.com, and see all the posts and share it with all your friends. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye.